All right, this is Eric, and what I want to do here is I want to show you a little bit about a new thing that I have called Web Seller Guru, and kind of give there's a lot of videos you can watch on this. But I just wanted to do my own little take of Web Seller Guru and everything. So I'm going to say this first of all that I have a pretty to me, I have a pretty high account. Like here, right here, this is my eBay name if you want to look me up. 229 is what I can list. This is my thing, 29,706, because I have some few things, 33 eBay products listed. So, and everything. So anyway, I just want to put that out there. So what I want to do here, this is going to be a thing about Web Seller Guru, and what it is it's kind of like a thing of where you can you list things using their lister, and so this is kind of just a video showing a little bit about it and how it works and everything else. I've tried other listers in the past and everything, and always lost money on everything. Now I did lose money. I did sell three things, as you see here. As I sold products. This last week I sold 3 items, but I didn't have this set up correctly, and so I talked to support, which is right here, and I talked to support, and they helped me to set up my formula correctly. Okay, so there is some parts of me that think that I've set up the formula wrong, and things like that, but I just it's mainly because of the taxes, because there's a lot of states here in the United States that charge sales tax and everything, and if you're not tax exempt, it's hard to what I'm trying to say, it's hard to not do sales tax. So it's kind of hard to explain. I'm trying to say. So usually I do like 8% sales tax added into the thing, because on eBay you can't charge sales tax, unless you are licensed in your state to charge the sales tax. So anyway, back to this. I don't want to go into that, but this is Web Seller Guru, and so what I want to do here is I just want to show you a little bit about how this works. And if you want to get this lister, then I have a link in the description, and you can get the link, okay, and get 10% off, okay. So anyway, let's go to add product. You have dashboard, you have eBay. This is my dashboard right here, okay. You have eBay products. My service is very slow, so let's give it a minute. I'll pause for the sake. Okay, there it goes. Here's my eBay, right here. Okay. eBay products, eBay messages, add product. So there's eBay tools. There's billing, invoices, tutorials, and support. So let's go right here to add products. Okay. And there's a listing builder and listing builder 2.0. They tell me that it's good to use this one. So I'm just going to use this one right here. I'm going to pause the video until it loads up. Okay, so now it's loaded up here. So we're going to do, in the beginning, you manage your profiles and everything else, okay? This right here is just going to be a thing about listing, since you only have 15 minutes for this video, okay? So new listing, you can click there. And it gives you a drop-down menu. You can do Amazon, Walmart.com, things like that, Wayfair. Now there's a lot of Home Depot, Target, Overstock. Now, a lot of these down here below are like stuff for the UK. They have a lot of things for the UK. Not so many for USA, but it's still all right. So let's say you can do Amazon, okay? So now let's look for an Amazon product we can sell. Just type in, I don't know, we'll type in green. Green is my favorite color. And let's type in new. Let's type in, what can we put in here? Trying to think what else we can put. Let's just type in like green, green table. There you go. Leave a green table. Okay. I don't know. Looks good, right? So we have all these different things. We can list. Let's see. Maybe we can do this one right here. Countertop jukebox with built-in Bluetooth and CD player. $65.97. It's in Prime. Sold by Peach Enterprises and fulfilled by Amazon. Gift drop available. So let's do this one right here, okay? So what we're going to do here is we're going to get this title here, this URL for this. We're going to go back to here and we're going to place it right here. Okay. So here the store Amazon has been detected by URL. And I'm not good with titles either. That's something I'm trying to learn. I've been in drop shipping for like 4 years and I'm still trying to figure things out. So let's do like that. Wait till it loads. I'll pause the video again until it loads up. Alright, so then here we go. $62.97, calculate eBay price, $86.24. Let's get rid of some of the stuff right here. We have a countertop. Jukebox is built in Bluetooth and CD player. Okay. Let's go to something else. Let's go to Title Builder. And it's title-builder.com/title/builder. Okay. Let's put in here jukebox. Let's see here. Countertop jukebox. Let's see here. So let's see. Let's look at some of the. I'm trying to find some keywords here. Let's go. I know what we're gonna do. We're going to eBay. Let's find some keywords here. Okay. Jukebox. So we have machine, title strip, speakers, jukeboxes, Seeburg, countertop jukebox. Countertop jukebox. I don't even say anything. I want to say jukebox. Okay, we'll just type in some things because I really. Let's put machine, maybe music, right? Just maybe speaker. Speaker. Okay, that's about it. That looks good. See, it says loading competitors. My Wi-Fi is always so slow. We can't get another Wi-Fi provider out here where we live at. So you have to just basically just deal with what you got. So anyway, there's that. Now all this stuff is loaded automatically in my master profile. This duration 3 days. I refill things 3 at a time. Okay, now there's a thing right here that says we found your title of this text LG. So that's like a little thing of where it's showing you what you can remove. First of all, I want to do this. I want to go up here and get this. Copy it, and I'm going to go down. And I'm going to let's see here. Put it right here. Alright. I only have 2 minutes left of this. So it's going down. Now it says repeat main image. You're going to click there, and it's going to repeat the main image. I'm going to have 12. Then you're going to go submit listings. I'm going to pause it until it comes back, until it goes through. Alright, so that's done. Now here's click to view the thing. This is it right here on my eBay. Why it says good till canceled, I have no idea. But anyway, something else I gotta change. But this is it right here, and you can do different templates and things like that. That's about it for this video. You can find my link in the description for this. It's a really awesome tool to use. Y'all have a blessed day, and if you have any questions, let me know. All right. Thank you. Goodbye.